Hi, sixth grade. Today we're going to multiply decimals. I know that's one of your favorite things to do. So I'm going to do these two problems quick and show you what to do. Now, you have to remember when you're multiplying decimals, you do not need to line your decimals up. These ones you're lucky enough that they are nice and even and they do line up, but you do not line your decimals up when you multiply. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to multiply and pretend that those decimals aren't there. So you make them touch. 6 times 3 is 18. My 8 goes down. Plus 1. 6 times 2 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. Most important part when we're doing multi-digit multiplication is to put our placeholder in because we are done with the ones place. Now I have 9 times 3 is 27. 7 goes down. Plus 2. 9 times 2 is 18, 19, 20. And then I'm going to add it all up. 8, 10, 2, and 2. Now I have one number behind there and another one. 1 plus 1 equals 2. I'm moving my decimal 2 spots. 1, 2. My answer is 22 and 800ths. Now let's look at this one. 8 times 4 is 32, plus 3 with a 2. 4 times 6 is 24, 25, 26, 27. I'm going to add in my placeholder. We're done with the ones. We have 8 times 4 again, which is 32. 6 times 4 is 24, 25, 26, 27. Add them up. 2, 7, 8, 9. Another 9. And a 2. Now again, I have 1 spot, 2 spot, 1 spot, plus another spot equals 2. I'm moving my decimal 2 times. My answer is 29 and 92 hundredths. Now, a lot of you said that you needed more help, so you're going to see a sign-up form. So we'll do a Zoom, like a study hall, sometime in Thursday, probably Thursday around 2 o'clock. If you drop your information into the Google form, I'll send you the invite if you need help. If you would like to email me, that's fine too. I usually respond to you in about 10 minutes or right away. So either way is fine. Just look out for those resources and have a good day.